Hello, welcome to this market update. We are currently short EurUsd, and you would have seen this in the Discord group that I posted, and then I posted the entry, stop loss and target. So let's just go over this quickly, and before looking at other instruments. We've had a very bearish run in this, and we were waiting for ECB today, and they didn't do anything, didn't raise rates, sorry, which was to be expected. And yeah, I was looking for any sort of breakdown then, and looking for more euro weakness. Decided to go with EurUsd. Australian dollar has been doing quite well, commodity currency, sorry, and it seems like it was the most favorable pair out of most of them, but I will cover other euro instruments. So we had a little bit of support here, and we just broke down that. We sold on a break of this structure, and if we come down into Monday's high, we may get a bounce. If we get a bounce and then get back below, we could use this deviation to maybe add into the trade. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it, but all in all, we'll be looking for more downside in EurUsd. So let's take a look at EurUsd by itself. Let's go to the daily chart first of all to get a gauge of what we are coming off. So if I scroll, you can see that first of all, from a technical standpoint, we did have a nice bounce from this support, and we have resistance here, support, and that is where we hit off, and where we came off, sorry. So it's between two levels, and that's why I didn't really get involved with EurUsd today and chose EurUsd. It seemed that EurUsd had more room to the downside, or less obstacles, should I say, to the downside. But let's take a look at EurUsd. We've had this reaction. I have this trend line on it just to see if we can get maybe a run up, a failure again, and then a break below. So that would be a breaking structure if we fail to make a higher high, and then look to maybe sell this going into Friday. Now Euro Yen is the other instrument. We can go out to the daily and have a look at what it's coming off. You'll have noticed I put in a chart into the Discord early on, looking for Monday's high, just to trade below Monday's high, which we never got. But we're coming into this support, and then we had a little bit of resistance coming in here. So could this be a move at least down to Monday's high? Well, let's take a look at structure on the hourly. And we have broke structure. It's a bit late in the day for me to be getting involved with this, and really exposed in a trade with EurUsd. So if I can get my stops to break even in EurUsd, then I'll possibly look to get involved with this tomorrow morning. If we come up, failure to make a higher high, and then look for some sort of structure at least down into Monday's high. As you can see, they used that as a pivot point to take this higher. Monday's low looks very clean as well, so that could be a potential target if we do get a runner in any of the euro pairs. Other than that, not really interested in well, pound yen. I will possibly look for, let's go out to the daily so you can get a sense of what we're coming off. We'll look for trades maybe tomorrow as well, but huge level. And let's see if we can make another move to the downside. We can get sucked into just because we've had this reaction. I need a little bit more price action than that, and with the time of day, we can just wait till tomorrow morning till things kick off again. Hopefully it doesn't move during Asia and we can get involved. But you can see how Monday's high at the moment is acting as resistance over here, support over here. So we're hoping it stays below Monday's high. Even if it comes up one more time back below, we'll see what the price action looks like tomorrow to try and get involved with more downside in that. Pound is already came down to Monday's low. It all depends if we can break below this support, Monday's low, break below, retest from the underside, and then look for more downside on pound. Not really interested in anything else. We did have a dollar yen trade that hit target overnight. Break above this support. The first trade we did get stopped out on, came down, and then we got back in the second attempt for a nice 2-hour trade, putting us up for the week. I do expect these highs to go, but at the moment, because we're so close to them, I can't really find a nice risk to reward to try and get involved. And yeah, I'm already in the trade, so don't really need to pay too much attention to that. We had a break-even trade on dollar CAD. Was looking for a little bit of a bounce off Monday's high, didn't get it. Closed it out before news, and thankfully we did, because it went lower. We were looking to buy dollar CAD, but on hindsight we've taken out this high, and we've also broke this structure. We've also got below Monday's low, so a lot of things were pointing to the downside, but I am dollar bull, and was expecting more upside, but you can't get involved with everything at the minute. So yeah, that's just my thoughts. Not really interested in too much else. I will have a look at euro, yen, and pound yen tomorrow morning, along with those other euro pairs, and we'll see where we are with EurUsd as well. So hopefully we can get a runner on those. Any questions, you can let me know. Any trade ideas and trade updates will be posted in the Discord group, and any questions you can reach out.